This is our second visit to Tortola. The last time we came at the end of 2015, this was all being built.
It was finished in 2016, then hit by storms in 2017. Now open again in 2018, Tortola is welcoming guests.
Tourist information is now in this little complex, and you can pick up a brochure, and we're going to do the walking tour of Road Town today. Outside there's all the buses, there's the open top ones, there's the closed in ones for the bus tours, or you can hire scooters. And I can just see a chicken walking across the road. I've made a new friend, there's chickens following me. Tortola is the biggest of the British Virgin Islands, but the currency is American dollars. You can't spend your pounds here. Behind me is the ferry terminal, so if you want to go across to one of the other islands, that's the place to get your ferry. This is the Virgin Island Folk Museum. It's a government-owned museum on slavery, and it's really worth a look. It looks like a little sugar plantation house that we stayed in once in Mauritius. I reckon the entrance is over there around the front. This is the Lower Estate Sugar Works. Apparently you have to enter from Station Avenue, so that'll be interesting. We'll have to go and find Station Avenue. The reason you don't enter from over there is there's thick mud, swampy mud there. Station Road's over here. We found the entrance to the Sugar Works Museum now. I wonder if it'll be worth it.
It's an interesting small museum, but they didn't wish for us to film and show you what was inside. The Botanical Gardens, however, did, so we have a whole film on the gardens.
Tsunami evacuation route. You go up. We've just been told what would happen in the case of a tsunami. The lights would flash, the lady would run out of the hut, shout tsunami, wave her arms, and everybody runs up the hill. This is Kitty. This beautiful beach is called Cane Garden Bay. Very important, it's got a beach bar, Caribbean flavour. A few little shops, friendly people, heaven.
Follow us at Doris Visits. Information, guides, chat, friendly community, and you can book using our links.